guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Latest style pattern bags different crochet stitches to create unique pattern such as charming and waves of colors. Remember to choose the right yarn and hook size for your personal style and design. And latest styles looks to customize with your preferred color and embellishment. Crocheting handbags offer endless and possibilities for creative relaxed design that can be addressed up or down. It often features a slouchy handle or strap designs. Looks create a crochet backpack with adjustable straps for a trendy and beautiful style ideas. Light and breathtaking, perfect for carrying or beach style looks, different ideas and styling. I hope you like it. Here are a few popular designs ideas. Guys, please keep sharing and watching my video. See this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. Once again, I am back. Latest and new idea, new review, sharing all